Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to change your shipping address on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you've just moved houses or spotted a typo in your details, updating your address is super straightforward. AliExpress has made some tweaks for 2025 to make shopping even smoother, so let's dive right in. First, log into your AliExpress account. Open the app or website. Enter your email or phone number and password, then hit sign in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, head to your profile. Look for the icon that looks like a person or your avatar in the top right corner and click on it. This takes you to your account settings. Next, scroll down to the Addresses or Shipping Addresses section. It's usually under My Account or Personal Info. Tap or click on it to see your saved addresses. Now, select the address you want to change. Hit the Edit button next to it. A form will pop up where you can update fields like street, city, state, zip code, and country. Double-check everything for accuracy. Nothing's worse than a package going astray. After making your changes, click Save or Update. AliExpress might ask you to confirm with a verification code if it's your first time editing, so keep an eye on your email or phone. If you're updating for a specific order that's not yet shipped, go to My Orders, select the order, and look for the Shipping Details option to make changes there. Always verify the update by checking your profile or order page afterward. And that's it, you've successfully changed your shipping address on AliExpress. This simple process ensures your packages arrive at the right place every time. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.